maybe I should scratch out my address. I know I have a stalker for sure who has stalked me on the internet for some years. So I'm just gonna rip that up. Shout out if you're watching. Not gonna let you know my current address. Okay. I'm so paranoid. No, it's real. It's a real fear. I should have it. This is a package that I bought from my daddy, Amazon.com, the app. The return of the website, the app. And we're just gonna do an unboxing video, a haul video. I guess if I got one thing from Amazon, I could call it a haul. I don't know the rules, but we can call it a haul video and an unboxing. Let's see. These scissors that I usually use to trim my pubes with are in the living room for some reason. Don't know how they got out here. Still, they get the job done. It's nice to know something is sturdy enough for a box, but gentle enough for my pubes. Okay, first thing, a classic Amazon package staple. There's some more asthma for you. These, what's the right thing to do with them? Let me know in the comments. And here it is. It is a Uzun selfie stick that was also in a tripod. Let's crack her open. Alright, it comes in a selfie stick condom. Oh, don't know, kind of new to this. I don't really know how an unboxing video works. Do you want to see everything inside all the boxes? Well, this appears to be a user guide. Oh, okay, so I got a cool one. There were some that weren't as cool. This one has a remote that you can just... I should show you, huh? Alright, well maybe later I'll figure this out. But, here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, I see. See? Okay. Fuck. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. I'm gonna... Oh, what? Okay, cool. It's just telling me it's a wireless remote. It's not one of those pull tabs, which I thought it was. Oh my god, cool. Is this what I wanted? I hope so. It was really late at night and I couldn't sleep, so it seems pretty good. Oh, the other things in the package, which I know you're dying to know about. Okay, so we have the user guide. This will tell me everything I need to know about using the selfie stick tripod. Great. Wonderful. This appears to be a charger. Oh, I guess it's a charger for the remote. This is high tech. I guess it was like $20, so well spent. Let me know in the comments below. I don't know when I should tell Nicole that I'm vlogging. She might walk in here in a towel or something, but okay, we're working it out. Oh, yes. Hi guys. Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys. Okay, cool. Oh my god, this is so much more flattering. I'm pretty. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, we gotta tighten it. Yeah, I feel beautiful. This is so fucked up. It's only because it's like someone tall is looking at me. Wow, you can really get, oh my god, it's like, I always wanted to look at the profile of my face, and now I can. Sick. Okay, tight. This works. The tripod element, though, let's try that out. Nicole, I'm vlogging.
I heard. I won't interrupt.
You can join if you'd like.
I'm naked.
Oh, just as I suspected. Oh, this is nice, too. This is... Now I see, this is the real vlog style, where you can do hands-free and you can just express yourself with your hands. I did an unboxing video for my...
Oh, I was intrigued.
Come here! This was the other thing in the box. She's so dumb! Just kidding. She's a good girl. Well, thanks for watching. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think I should do with this.